Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I am going to do one of my favorite acrylic pour techniques of all time, and this is just a basic hair dryer pour. Very, very simple and something I think any beginner can do, or any person who's even more experienced can have a fun and relaxing time at. So I'm using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. And because winter is kind of coming up, I'm going with one of my favorite kind of wintry color schemes of blues and silver. So I've used white, deep sea. This is some silver, and you gotta kind of be careful with the silver. It can take over sometimes in more than one brand. So don't go too crazy on it. And I personally like to go in this kind of crisscrossy pattern. That's just me. I'm going to use a little bit of this Malibu Sky color, which is a metallic blue. Unfortunately, I only have a little bit of it left here, so I'm going to use the rest of that. This one's called Denim Shimmer, and it's actually a limited edition color that I have right now in my mystery paint boxes. Now, while purple is obviously not a blue, it's still a very pretty color, and it's can definitely work with the cool tones. So I'm going to throw a little bit of that in here. And lastly, I'm going to use some of this color called Dreamy Blue, and this is a custom color you guys are getting a sneak peek at. Don't tell Massey Art Studio, but it is a color that is specifically for the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas. So it'll be in the grab bags and it'll be for sale there. I'm gonna add just a little more deep sea. And I think we're good. Could probably add a little more white, but I think it's okay. I think I added quite a bit in the beginning. So I'm using a Remington hairdryer, and I'm gonna use it on high air on cold. And by the way, this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I do have it raised up. So here we go. All right, now this is already very pretty. You can see I don't quite have some full coverage at the edge here. I'm not too worried about that. I personally love a very blended look. So I'm going to go over this one more time and push it out to the edge. I didn't want to push it out to the edge too quickly and run out of paint. So now that I have it kind of spread out, I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's going to blend the colors a little bit more. If you don't want to have to do this, like let's say you wanted to leave it just like this, then I recommend starting out with a base coat of paint before doing this. So I'm going to go ahead once again with the hairdryer. And that's all there is to it. Touch up your sides and corners. Now, if there is any area that you are unhappy with, one of the great things about this is you can always add a little more paint and just go over it again. I've done it sometimes where I'm like, oh, I really don't like that. I don't like the colors, or there's too much of this color. Just throw a little bit more paint on it and go again, and you'll end up with something beautiful. Look at that dreamy blue. You guys need to go to Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas, so you can take the awesome classes, but also so that you can get that dreamy blue. All right, let's do our close-up. All right, I love the colors on here. I'm so glad I stuck that purple in there. I just put a little bit, but I think it's just a perfect addition to this color combination. Now I actually think I should have put just a little bit more silver, to be honest, but I think this is really, really pretty. I love, 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 love the combination of colors and the contrast. So once again, super easy and fun technique. If you're having trouble, typically there's two issues. Either your paint's too thick or your hairdryer is not good enough. So try fixing those. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next time.